Hi all, welcome back. Please don't forget to subscribe. The topic for today is contractions in English grammar. Contractions are words that are shortened versions of other words and phrases. When a contraction is written in English, the omitted letters are replaced by an apostrophe. Contractions with am, is, are. I am. He is, his. She is, she's. We are, we're. They are, they're. You are, you're. Contractions with have. I have, I've. You have, you've. We have, we've. They have, they've. Could have, could've. Would have, would've. Should have, should've. Contractions with would. I would, I'd. You would, you'd. He would, he'd. She would, she'd. We would, we'd. They would, they'd. Contractions with has. He has, he's. She has, she's. It has, its. Contractions with had. I had, I'd. He had, he'd. She had, she'd. It had, it'd. We had, we'd. They had, they'd. Contractions with will. I will, I'll. You will, you'll. He will, he'll. She will, she'll. It will, it'll. We will, we'll. They will, they'll. Contractions with not. Are not, aren't. Did not, didn't. Cannot, can't. Do not, don't. Had not, hadn't. Is not, isn't. Does not, doesn't. Has not, hasn't. Have not, haven't. Did not, didn't. Must not, mustn't. Should not, shouldn't. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Will not, won't. Would not, wouldn't. Contractions with other words. That is, that's. That would, that'd. That will, that'll. Here is, here's. There is, theirs. What is, what has, what's. Let us, let's. Who is, who has, whose. Who will, who'll. That's all for today, friends. See you in the next video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.